Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So it is Tuesday, April 10th. It's currently 8:58 a.m. and I'm just sitting here in this parking lot waiting to hop on the bus so I can go to campus. I have class at 9:30 this morning. I was thinking about taking the light rail this morning because it literally goes right past my house, so I could have easily done that. But honestly, I just didn't feel like walking. When it drops you off at campus, you have to walk like about 15 minutes to class, I'd say, and I just was not feeling it today, so I decided to be lazy and just drive all the way to campus, but oh well. Okay, so it is 12:09 right now, and I just got back from class. It was really boring, but whatever, can't complain. So while I was in class, Brady texted me, and he was like, sis, what you want to do today? And I was like, dude, I don't know, what should we do? And then we kind of just agreed that we have both been having really strong like fast food cravings, and like if you know me, you know that like I do not eat fast food. Like I could not tell you the last time. Like I'll go through the drive-thru for like a coffee or something, like a drink or something like that, but the last time, I can't even tell you the last time I got a Chick-fil-A meal. I know I went to Sonic in January, but that's honestly like the last that I remember. But for some reason lately I've just been having these wild cravings for like fast food. So what I have to do to like completely get rid of it is basically just go and have a cheat meal, honestly. So I think Brittany and I are gonna grab some food somewhere. I don't even know if we'll end up getting fast food, but I actually cut salt out of my diet in January, so because of that I never really eat salty foods. But that's not to say that I'm gonna completely like ban myself from eating salt, because I feel like if you do that, you're just gonna crack one day and explode. So I think it's really important just to listen to your body and give it what it wants, sometimes, occasionally. So while I was in class, the kid sitting next to me who like we study together occasionally and just, I don't know, we talk in class. He was like, oh, did you do that homework assignment due tonight? And I was like, he's like really good at MIS, so at 5 o'clock he gets out of class and we're gonna do the assignment then. And then at 6:30 until like 11, super late tonight, I have something very secret that I have to do, and I'll tell you guys when I do the weekend of my life this weekend what it is. You'll see everything, but for right now I can't talk about it. It's a secret, but I'm really excited. It's something leading up to this weekend. Hey,
I just had a class early, so I might be able to make the 12:21 one.
Okay, yeah, if you make it, just text me as soon as you get on there, and then like I'll start getting ready to head over.
Okay. If I'm like near Cameron, do you think I'll make it?
Yeah, for sure. The 12:21?
Yeah.
Yeah, just speed walk. Cameron's really close. Okay, alright, see you soon.
Alright, bye.
Also, I must mention, I got this e.l.f. baked highlighter and blush duo the other day from Target. It was literally like $5 or something like that. And oh my goodness, I am absolutely obsessed. I sometimes have trouble with highlighter just like not looking good on me or like coming off as too shimmery, but this I feel like is the perfect medium, and I like how it includes both because that way it's really good for like on the go. All right, face is on. I need to go ahead and let my camera charge for a little bit longer before I go and pack up my backpack with all the stuff I need for tonight, and then I'm gonna hit up the light rail with Brady. For those of you that are in Charlotte, we're in South End right now because we're annoying AF and we take the light rail to go get McDonald's. But hey, honestly, like I'm proud of it because they spent so much time building that thing. We need to get our use out of it.
Like there's one literally 5 minutes.
Right. When the lighting at McDonald's is like Insta-worthy. So I try to keep it healthy. I was gonna get a smoothie and then they said their smoothie machine was broken. The one time I get a smoothie, right? Oh, I don't think I have a straw. I need a straw. But I got a chocolate shake. I got just a plain biscuit with some butter, fries. Had to get my fries, y'all. And I got a yogurt parfait. So pretty unhealthy, but this will definitely curb all of those salty cravings I've had. All right, what'd you get?
Pretend it's a small. So I got a small fry. And then this is a, it says it's a cheeseburger, but it's actually grilled chicken wrapped in lettuce.
Yeah, with no buns.
Just lettuce. It's salad.
So I've actually, I watch mukbang videos sometimes, which if you don't know what that is, it's literally just people filming themselves eating. And I could never just do a full-on mukbang, but this is technically, oh, this is a me right here. This is technically my first mukbang. Literally, like when I was younger, Fridays, my mom would be like, where do you want to go for dinner? And I would be like, McDonald's! And we would go to the McDonald's cafe, and it felt like this huge like outing.
McDonald's cafe? What is it?
The McDonald's where I'm from, it's like a big cafe. Like it's really nice, and like the mood is like really like brown.
Is this UK or?
No, this was back in Cary. And literally, I would get the 4-piece chicken tender meal every time. And those tenders were so good. Like, they were literally crunchy AF.
I literally think McDonald's chicken nuggets are the best chicken nuggets.
I don't know. I feel like their tenders are better than their nuggets. What do you guys think? Are you team chicken or tender or nuggets?
I was gonna say they're both chicken.
Yeah. Okay, so we just got to campus. That McDonald's is like catching up to me. It definitely like does not make you feel good, but whatever. I got that craving out of the way with, and I probably won't crave it for another like 3 months. I think we're also gonna go look at this greenhouse that they have on campus. It's really cool, especially like with the new seasons. They always add a bunch of like new things to it, so I just want to like check it out and show you guys as well. So I've been working on this MIS assignment for like 45 minutes now, and it's so confusing. Like, I don't understand it at all, and it's just really frustrating that sometimes you have to take classes like these that they just don't pertain to your major whatsoever. It's frustrating, and like my professor isn't being much help, so I'm having to like do a lot of research online to figure it out. But I don't know, I'll get there. Luckily it's not due till midnight, so it's not like I'm completely strapped for time, but the clock is definitely ticking. Oh, I'm in heaven, you guys.
There's like a really cool, like, I don't know if it's still here, but they have like a waterfall.
Ooh.
Like,
should we keep walking through?
No, you go down that way and then you go to
Okay.
I think.
Look at all the orchids.
I can't believe you've never been in here.
Oh my gosh. I know, especially because I'm like obsessed with plants, right?
This is like so up your alley.
Oh, I love those hanging ones. Oh, this is like oh my gosh. Wow. Just looks so much. Ooh. I can't believe that this is on our campus. Like, this is so cool.
Like, really?
Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. You guys know how much I love my like cacti. Look at all these babies. This one is so cool. Oh, look at this. I like this one. This is so cool. I all of a sudden had a huge, just like wave of tiredness hit me. So I have to go get coffee.
I was like tied and then it was real like it was like not anything and then is that the new one?
It's 2 years old, but my dad had a randomly.
So I ended up just meeting up with my friend at 5 o'clock to go to the computer lab to finish up that assignment, which I finally got done. It turned out it wasn't even that hard. I'm just kind of confused when it comes to this kind of stuff. But so I did that, and then at 6:30 until literally like 1 a.m.-ish, I had something for my sorority, and I'm not gonna mention it right now, but stay tuned for the weekend in my life for this upcoming weekend, and definitely add me on Instagram because you'll see everything relating to it then. But I just had that for the rest of the night, so I didn't even really go home and have the chance to vlog. But I want to be raw with you guys and show you how some of my days really are. So that's all I have for today's vlog. I'm gonna keep vlogging this week and this weekend, as I mentioned. In the meantime, don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you're not already, and definitely click subscribe if you're not. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
Your future.